Hello, welcome back. Today we've got something that a lot of YouTubers and Instagram social media people should be interested in. It's an Equatech social media ring light. It's 10-inch LED desktop light with phone holder. Oh crikey! Big box, just about fits on there, and it says it's got a cord control. It's USB powered. 120 LEDs, 3 colour modes, warm white, bright white, adjustable brightness level. It's got a 2 metre cable length, input power 5V, output 5V. Comes with a little tripod, a little gooseneck for the telephone, if you're on a mobile phone, if that's what you're using for. Some people just use it for the lights as well. So let's get out of the box. Get this. I like to get things carefully out of the box because, for one, if they're crap, you can send them back. For two, if you want to store them, the box is still okay and it's not ripped to bits. I suppose it depends how well they've packed it as well. So this is quite tight. Thank you. There we go. What else is in here? The instructions and just the box. I'll put the box in there, out of the way. Okay, let's see what was in the box. You can see the instructions. You can see that as well. Put it there. Bit of a shadow. Okay, let's have a look. First things first, let's get the biggest thing off. Well, what's that? Oh, it's like little plastic clips. It's light. I mean, I don't suppose you want a heavy thing. I suppose I wonder if I could put it on this somehow. Maybe attach it to my phone there. That might help. We'll see. It's got the tripod, which is metal. It's quite heavy. Hasn't got a bad weight on it, to be honest. So you could like that. I suppose once it squats to its whatever you want it on. It's got the actual attachment that goes on top. I can open it. There we go. What this will do is you'll be able to screw that onto that, and that will, if you loosen this screw, that gives it a ball joint, so you can rotate it. In fact, you can put it sideways if you want as well. Or up. Side's got a little niche in it. Like that for now. And inside the ring, I don't know if you can see that, is for this. This will be a phone holder. Oh, it's got a little bendy metal or inside on that bendy tubing. Let's have a look. That's okay. It's a little bit noisy, but that will fit inside there. Now, straight away, I think that you'd have to bend it like that to actually get anything. You could move it back and then bend it. I think if you do that, you're going to crack this, because this case is the plastic is quite cheap. I actually forgot to tell you where I got this from, so I'll tell you now. I got this from B&M stores. It's a bargain store in the UK. and this was £8.99. I don't know what that is in dollars. I'll probably convert it for the American viewers. If you want to know what £8 is in your own currency, go to Google, just go Google currency and it'll be there. So if you put that on there and turn this so it's attached, give it a few turns, and then if you want it tightened to that, you can just tighten that a bit more like that, and that'll be done. So you get your set your position. So if you want it lower down, then you tighten the screw on there. That gives it pretty tight. You'd have to get your phone sorted that way. I'm using my phone as a monitor, so for now I'll just leave it like that. This, in my view, I think maybe it's a little bit too big, because there's what else can you do with it? I mean, you're not going to put your phone that way, are you? So I suppose you could put it that way and then turn it if you want it horizontal, or if you want to film in vertical you can turn it that way. It's not bad. Then you've got, let's have a look at this. This is the control lead. There. It says it's, yeah, I'd say it's good 2 meters of cable on that. So once you've got it where you'd like it, kind of thing, you can lift it higher, which kind of makes it unstable, to be honest. So you'd have to get an extension on that and then give that, because once you've got the weight of your phone on there as well, let's tighten that up again. Put that there and we'll tighten that up. So let's, there you go, like that. The plastic seems a little bit, it seems kind of brittle, so you'd have to be, you know, careful with that. Now you can either plug this into like a charger point you've got in the house. I've got a USB charge bank here. This is Power Geek. This is from the pound shop. This was £5. I'll put it in, and let's have a look. Does it automatically come on? There's a light on here, so no, there's an on-off switch. So, which, oh no, that's not bad. That's quite bright. That's quite a nice light, that, to be fair. So you can see me using this in the future. I'll attach my camera on there rather than that. It says you can choose your colours. There's an orange or an off-white, white. So that's not bad. Let's have a look. Don't know if you can see that there. Change the white light. Looks orange here, but you can on the video, it's the only way you can tell the difference in light is if you look at the reflection here. That still shows as white. So if I press that again, see how the difference changes there. That's like a more of a cold white. There's like an orangey kind of white, and there's a white, cold white. So let's have a look now. So can we go up? Can I go brighter? No, I think that's the full one. How much darker can it go? Oh, all right, hang on. So it's either, okay, what I've done, switch it on. Oh, all right. I'm not sure what's happened here, whether that's, is it this? Well, Okay, I don't know what I've done with it. Just let me swap my USB points. This is a slightly stronger one. I'm not sure what happened there, to be honest. Let's have a look. Power on. Oh. Maybe this draws. What does it draw? What's the power on this? So it does need quite a meaty power supply. No, it doesn't show you. Okay, let's try that again. So if we turn the brightness down, go in steps. So if you can see that, change the colours. Off. Can you hear that? I don't think you'll be able to pick it up on camera, but I can hear a slight whining. Off. Whining's gone. It's like a slight high-pitched whistle. I'm not sure if you can pick that up. It's a bit like a dog whistle. But anyway. That is what it is. Ah, you turn it up and it's gone. So if you want it lower, yeah, definitely. So if you want it, you can just about hear it. The lower you go, there is a slight electrical whining, a bit like a dog whistle. If you can hear that. It's only on a certain, definitely there. So, and then it goes, once it goes to its proper voltage, it goes. So that's that. I mean, I'll use it, I'll definitely use it. I mean, for £8.99, it is what it is. I'll probably figure out what I need to do with it. I might change this lamp here and put this ring light there. Because let's have a look. Let's have a look for turn it off. Turn it on. It's not a bad light, that white one. That's what I'll do, I think. I'll probably use it somehow. Even if it's just a side by. Depends how much of a close-up I want to do on something. So yes, so it can be used with a power pack. This power pack, I've had it for ages. It's a 10,000 mAh, 37 WH max, 5 volt 2 amp. Output is 5 volt 2.1 amp. So I think the other one was a little bit smaller, which is a cheaper thing from the pound shop. So look at that. Oh, it's a definite whine. Let me know if anyone else has got one of these and they've heard that whine. Goes in. So that's that. And let's see where you could put it if you wanted. bit of a glare onto something if you wanted to really, you know, show something out. Difference would be I'm going to change the colour. There's the orange light. Okay. That is what it is, and that is the Equatech social media ring light. £8.99, currently in Home Bargains in Great Britain. Ideal, I think, for lots of YouTubers who maybe do a face on and want the light on the face, or they want to do some close-up work, some bit of soldier and what have you. The light is there for that. Definitely is. Have a look. Handy thing is it doesn't come straight on. There's a switch on it, so on. Oh look, it's done it again. Oh, there we go. So shame it's only got so many colours. Not that I'll ever use any different colours, and just sometimes you get a light blue, so you can, if you want to do use it for like a background lighting, if you want to, like sometimes people like to light their walls and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So get that out of shot and light the walls in a different colour. See that? Back shot there, different colour. Turn it down a little bit, and then change the colour again. There's, oops, definitely a wine, proper wine on it. Anyway, I'm going to use it. I might even do something with this, maybe attach that to that, so I can have this camera and maybe have the camera at a different angle, or I might actually use that for a different camera, so I'll have like 3 points of view. At the moment I've got this point of view, I've got this point of view. I don't know, sometimes I like to have it that way, so it just swaps to like a natural selection. I might put one that side, so you got 3. We'll see. So anyway, so far so good. For less than a tenner you can get yourself a little studio light and a phone holder to boot.